Abusia, time is coming. I'm sure I bet MPP for some count. Honestly, what idea? Where I mean Adams, former finance minister, can offer about say finance minister who we know. Aqua when I'm confirmed to see what's all my jet mugwasie. Or a tenny. Yes, and mugwasie and fatoka niba. Until no 10 years when I'm confirmed by so on my jet mugwasie. Would it yes, Malka?
Let me remind traders across the country that this coming Christmas, if you don't sell to your expectation, know that it is because the NDC government has withdrawn 60 billion Ghana cedis from the market just to achieve a single-digit inflation and impoverish you. Ladies and gentlemen, Ghanaians out there should know that you are no more a matter of concern to this government, to this NDC government. They have forgotten about you after getting power. This is why their priority has shifted from you to using the recent helicopter accident involving some of our gallant citizens as cover to procure 2 jets, 4 helicopters, and 2 offshore patrol vessels. This is going to cost our country $1.2 billion. Government must come clear why the purchase of 2 executive jets is a priority at the time it is asking Ghanaian workers to sacrifice more. As you know, ladies and gentlemen, lower aggregate demand drives down economic growth, increased unemployment. The economy is therefore growing below its potential. In the second quarter of...
Or can't you ready for say this Christmas, if they don't sell to expectation, Mahama buy na ye. To Okofa jeans me and Sunny ya Tommy no jaba kwa Mahama na ye. What you say? Mahama buy then they have withdrawn 60 billion from the market. Mini market how can want them? Second JTM market to Cantamanto. I don't know. You see? So we can't say MPP for being on my one. Sinipano who? Eka MPP for one can bet that's what you bet that's on a cabbage back, yet on 100 cities. Eka MPP for one can mind them walk. Eka MPP for one can bet that's on not dollar and 80 Ghana, 100 Ghana per dollar. Eka MPP for one. Kebe that's what no not from here from Kumasi to your friends Accra 500 cities lorry fare and farm what you sama worker former finance minister what you sama can share for and we still have people following this particular political party